Hi guys, welcome back Tech Channel. You can buy this year all product links mentioned in this video are in the description below, so if you're ready, let's get started. The CalDigit TS3 Plus Thunderbolt 3 dock is a versatile and high-performance docking station designed for creative professionals. It features a robust array of connectivity options, including 15 ports to expand your laptop's capabilities. With dual 4K display support, it allows for seamless multitasking and enhanced productivity. The dock provides a USB-C port, 5 USB-A ports, an SD card reader, and audio in/out, making it ideal for various devices. Its 87W power delivery ensures that your laptop stays charged while connected. The sleek aluminum design complements any workspace, while its compact size makes it portable. The TS3 Plus is compatible with both Mac and Windows systems, ensuring broad usability. Enhanced thermal management keeps it cool during intensive tasks. Overall, it's a powerful solution for anyone needing a reliable docking station. Number 2. The Logitech Logi dock is an all-in-one USB-C laptop docking station designed for streamlined connectivity and enhanced productivity. It features a variety of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, allowing you to connect multiple devices effortlessly. The built-in speakerphone ensures clear communication during video calls, while the integrated charging capability powers your laptop. Its compact design fits seamlessly into any workspace, reducing clutter. With plug-and-play functionality, setup is quick and easy, making it user-friendly for all levels. The Logi dock is compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, providing versatility for diverse users. Its sleek aesthetic complements modern office environments. Overall, it's a powerful solution for those seeking to optimize their work setup. Number 3. The 12 South StayGo Mini is an ultra-thin USB-C hub designed for portability and convenience. This compact device offers a range of essential ports, including USB-A, HDMI, and USB-C, making it ideal for connecting multiple peripherals. Its sleek design ensures it fits easily in your laptop bag, perfect for on-the-go professionals. The StayGo Mini supports 4K video output, allowing you to connect to external displays with ease. With plug-and-play functionality, it requires no additional software for setup. The hub is compatible with both Mac and Windows systems, providing versatility for users. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while its minimalistic aesthetic enhances any workspace. Overall, it's a stylish and practical solution for expanding your laptop's connectivity. Number 4. The Kensington SD5700T Thunderbolt 4 docking station is a powerful hub designed to enhance your workstation. With a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and Ethernet, it provides extensive connectivity options for all your devices. The dock supports dual 4K displays, enabling smooth multitasking and immersive visuals. Its 90W power delivery ensures your laptop remains charged while in use. Featuring a sleek and durable design, the SD5700T complements any modern workspace. Setup is easy with plug-and-play functionality, making it user-friendly for all levels. It's compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, ensuring versatility for diverse users. Overall, it's a robust solution for maximizing productivity and connectivity. Number 5. The Plugable USB 3.0 Universal Laptop Docking Station is a versatile solution for connecting multiple peripherals to your laptop. Featuring dual HDMI ports, it supports up to 2 external monitors, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. Compatible with both Windows and Mac systems, this dock offers broad usability for various users. It includes multiple USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, as well as an Ethernet port for reliable wired connectivity. The compact design fits seamlessly on any desk, reducing clutter. Setup is straightforward with plug-and-play functionality, making it accessible for everyone. With its robust performance, the dock simplifies your workspace and boosts productivity. Overall, it's an excellent choice for those seeking an efficient docking solution.